Yep, happy Juneteenth, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get busy. I could give you guys the first bite and see that. I hope my egg kind of heated back up, in my air fryer. But yeah, I think it kind of got a little cook. Okay, you guys, it's still a little runny over easy, but anyway, you guys can get that first bite. I don't mind. The egg, there you go. That's a good bite, you guys. There you go. And if you guys should make this for your father, if you want to cook breakfast for your father, this is a good idea. He'd be very impressed if he had like this kind of food. Okay, so I'm put some syrup. Mm-hmm. Love it, love it. Then I'm gonna put some ketchup. I'll just put it on the side. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. It's hard when you got one hand. Okay. And there you guys. Piece of the salsa with the maple syrup. Again, this be a good idea for your father on Father's Day Sunday. That's good. And the last thing is the hash brown. Well, with the potato. And if you guys want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video. There you guys go. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And have a happy Father's Day Sunday to all the fathers around the world. Bye-bye. Well, not bye-bye. Just keep watching this video. You want to see how I pair this breakfast. Okay. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my cooking channel. Um, yes, I haven't been really post nothing in say about 3 weeks, because I was out of town, and again I will be going back out of town on my vacation on the end of this month, June the 29th, 2024. That's why you guys haven't really saw me post it on my cooking channel, especially in my kitchen. But anywho, I'm gonna start back since I'm back here on this Father's Day weekend. This is Saturday, so this is the first video or my breakfast. I love breakfast. That's the first meal that you should eat in the morning time. And so what I did was, you see this right here? This is so good, you guys. What I did, I just sprayed my foil, and this is the potato and a sausage patty. And I'm gonna open this right here, with my breakfast. This will, I haven't had this in a minute. Then I'm gonna fry me an egg, and this is what I'm gonna put the butter in. Now, what I season my potato with just only salt and black pepper. That's it. So again, like I said, you guys, that's why I haven't really been posting. And again, I will start my vacation at the end of June. June the 29th. I will be gone for 5 days. But anywho, I just want to just try to get some video out for you guys since I'm back in Colorado, and this is Father's Day weekend. So I want to wish all the father out there who's a father with children, and also I want to wish Happy Father's Day You know, if you single and you taking care of your children, awesome. Praise God to you guys, especially if you're a father that, you know, taking care of, single father taking care of and stuff. I just want to wish all of you guys around the world happy Father's Day weekend. Okay, that's Sunday, and I post this on Saturday. Yeah, Father's Day, June the 16th, 2024. And again, happy Juneteenth as well. This is Juneteenth weekend. You always go down and celebrate, celebrate Juneteenth and stuff, which I do. I always celebrate at home, or just think that we can live to see another Juneteenth. So other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my air fryer. And then only thing I have to do is fry my egg and the hash brown. Okay? Alright, stay tuned when I make my plate. Okay, so this is it. I put it in the air fryer. Okay? Okay, so this is how it look, you guys. Now, the only thing you have to do is just put it in your skillet and just get it golden brown, crispy. Okay, you guys, so I put it in my pan. Now I'm gonna turn on my heat. And that's all you have. You don't have to put no oil or nothing in it, you guys. Just brown this until it get golden brown and crispy. You don't have to put no oil or no nothing. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, just brown it. Alright, see you guys when it get ready. Okay, see how the egg is getting brown? Well, you can tell. And I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Okay, so that's how it looks, you guys. Guess you can see that how crispy and brown it looks. So yeah, so I'm going to take it out of the bowl, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a bowl, because this is a lot. I'm not going to eat all this. It's a lot. Okay? Okay, you guys, so that's what I did. I just put it in my bowl. That way that when it's cool, I could just put the rest in the refrigerator. And really, it don't have that much oil. See, I just took it out. Just took it out of the pan, see? See, that's interesting. Okay. So, I will see you guys when I make my plate. And I'm going to do my eggs. And you will see how I put the egg on top of the hash brown, okay? Okay, and this right here is going to be on the side. I put some extra hash brown. Yep, this is on the side. Boy, I can make some breakfast, you guys. You guys need to search my food on my cooking channel, and I got some really nice breakfast. Okay. Okay, so I put my egg in. Then I'm going to sprinkle with a little salt. And black pepper. It's going on top of my hash brown, you guys, okay? Well, I like my egg over easy, so I'm going to flip it. Okay? Okay, you guys, I flipped it, and that's how I see how the egg yolk. That's really hot. Usually I eat like this, sometimes I cook a little bit longer, but I'm going to take it off the fire. This is how I like it. So I put my hash brown on my plate, you guys. Then I'll put my egg on top. Oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. And sometimes people put either with ketchup or hot sauce. I'm not gonna do no hot sauce. I'm just gonna eat it like this. Okay, so now I put my hash brown and the sausage. Boy, this is a good country breakfast, I guarantee. And you guys can eat this breakfast or brunch. Sometimes you can eat it for lunch. A lot of people like to eat stuff like this for lunch or dinner. And that's my breakfast. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. If this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. And subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. If you guys already subscribe to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed weekend and happy Father's Day to everyone around the world. And again, if your father passed away, you know, rest in peace, because my father passed away as well, and you will see at the end of the video of a picture that I post on my father. Rest in peace, and in heaven. I'm wishing my father a happy Father's Day in heaven. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Where I make my plate. If you guys want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video. This is my breakfast. Again, like I said at the end of the video, I know I have been posting about 3 weeks. Again, like I said, I was out of town, and plus, anyway, we taking our vacation at the end of this month, June. That's June the 29th, 2024. But anyway, I want to try to come back and try to post some of my cooking channel. And this is today on Saturday. This is June. This is June the 15th, 2024. This is what I'm having it, and this is hash brown. I mean, you'll see at the end of the video I say hash brown, but this right here, yeah. And over easy egg, and on the side I went ahead and cooked me salsa patty and potato in my air fryer. And this right here is, I might put some syrup, you know, that on my sausage, having a maple syrup patty, sausage patty. And this is ketchup. I mix it with ketchup and hot sauce, and this would, I will sprinkle some on top of my my potato. But anyway, I just want to show you how I look. And this is usually I drink juice with my breakfast. This is what I'm having. So yeah. So anyway, I hope you guys have a if you're a father, happy Father's Day. And if you're a single father, happy Father's Day to you as well. And also, I want to wish my father, rest in peace, a happy Father's Day as well. And if you guys lost your father, saying to you, happy Father's Day in heaven. And you will see a picture of my father at the end of this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty. Enjoy you guys Father's Day weekend. And happy Juneteenth as well. Happy Juneteenth.